What's up mga quiz mga artists? Welcome back sa akin channel. This is Quiz Alan at ngayong araw papanoorin natin yung official trailer ng Superman na produced by DC Studio and James I forgot the name talaga, nakakalimutan ko. Basta yun, yung bagong Superman. So hindi ko na ito patatagalin, papanoorin natin yung video at mamaya ibibigay ko yung reaction at opinion ko on the said official trailer. So let's go!
Are you being serious right now?
Yeah.
You'd let me interview you as Superman.
Sure.
Makakilala na sila.
Ready?
Let's do it, Cronkite.
Superman.
Miss Lane.
Recently, you've come under a lot of fire for what some might. It's a lot. Today, the Secretary of Defense said he was going to look into your actions. That's funny?
My actions? I stopped a war.
Maybe.
Not maybe. I did.
In effect, you illegally entered a country.
This is how you're gonna be?
I'm not the one being interviewed, Superman. Did you consult with the president?
No.
You seemingly acting as a representative of the United States.
I wasn't representing anybody except for me and doing good.
I would question myself in the same situation and consider the consequences.
People were going to die. Hey, buddy. Eyes up here.
Your choices, your actions, that's what makes you who you are.
Superman. He's not a man. He's an it. He's somehow become the focal point of the entire world's conversation. I will not accept that.
I cleaned your boots. I'll go get them for you. You have a dog?
Okay, tayo ko napanood natin yung full trailer o official trailer ng Superman na pinagbibidahan ni I forgot the name. Corin Sweet. Ano to? I forgot the name. Sorry, binabasa ko, hindi ko alam yung pangalan ng Peter. Di ba familiar? Basta ito ay produced by James Gunn. So ito yung pinakaunang project niya under DC Studios. And honestly, habang this is the second video or second trailer from this movie, and this actually third pala. Meron yung teaser, sneak peek, and this one. And I could say paganda ng paganda at alam ko na excited sa movie na to because a different thing. Not a different thing. It's more of umalis sila sa dati sa original storyline, unlike to sa Man of Steel sa yung Batman versus Superman na totally nag 360 siya, nag-iba yung storyline, diba? So this one we go back to the original core nung movie, and I'm happy. Ang ganda. And plus isang bagay talaga mahilig kong panoorin ng mga Superman heroes yung CGI. So ang ganda ng CGI niya, hindi siya tinipid, hindi siya yung pucho-pucho compared sa nangyayari ngayon sa Marvel na very problematic ang CGI, pero this one, ang ganda, as in talagang deserving talaga na masuportahan. So, I know there's a lot of mga anti James Gunn. Ako, honestly, before I was against James Gunn, pero after seeing this trailer, I fell in love with this movie, and I could say na we're getting yung tamang trato kay Superman sa movie. So, yun, I'm excited. So, and nakita rin natin dito yung mga villains, diba, na talagang malakas, diba? And also yung mga kakampi dito ni Superman. So, I'm also happy na dito sa movie na to, hindi sila yung role ni yung character ni na Lois Lane sa ni Superman, hindi siya bumalik sa unang-una na hindi sila makakilala. This one here, makakilala na sila. So, they know each other as Superman and as Clark Kent. So, yun. So, nakaka-excite and I want to see this. And hopefully, hindi tayo ma-disappoint. Especially, alam naman natin si James Gunn. Maganda na may mga nagagawa yung movie from Guardian of the Galaxy to yung team, yung squad gang ba yun? Tapos ito. So, yun. So, I'm really excited and I hope sana matrato ng maayos to. So, there you go. Kayo mga quiz mga artists, nagustuhan nyo ba yung trailer, official trailer ng Superman? Then mag-comment kayo dito sa baba. And I will read all your comments and I will try to interact with you guys. So, thank you very much again. Have a nice day and bye-bye.